Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most unusual and fascinating defense mechanisms in the insect world, the self-sacrificing, explosive behavior of certain ant species. These ants literally blow themselves up to defend their colonies. Let's explore 21 surprising facts about why they do this and how it works. 1. Did you know that the species most known for exploding to protect their colonies is Colobopsis explodens, a species of exploding ants found in Southeast Asia? They belong to the Colobopsis genus of ants. 2. Did you know that these ants explode by rupturing their own body wall, releasing a toxic and sticky yellow substance from specialized glands? This substance can immobilize or kill enemy insects. 3. Did you know that the explosive behavior is a form of altruistic suicide, where the ant sacrifices itself to protect the rest of the colony? Only certain ants, typically worker ants, are capable of performing this action. 4. Did you know that the yellow goo released during the explosion is rich in toxic compounds that can poison or deter predators and invaders, such as other ant species or spiders? 5. Did you know that exploding ants typically rupture their body at the rear part of their abdomen, where the toxic glands are located? This self-destruction is called autophasis. 6. Did you know that exploding ants tend to explode in tight, close-contact fights where their sacrifice can block entryways or inflict maximum damage on the intruder? 7. Did you know that the exploding ant's self-sacrifice is not immediate? They typically engage in battle first, locking their mandibles with the enemy, before exploding as a last-ditch effort. 8. Did you know that this extreme behavior evolved because these ants often have smaller colonies compared to other ant species, meaning each member of the colony is valuable for its survival? 9. Did you know that the ant's yellow goo hardens once exposed to air, effectively trapping enemies in place while the toxic chemicals work to disable them? 10. Did you know that not all ants within a Colobopsis explodens colony are capable of exploding? Certain worker ants are designated for this sacrificial role, while others perform different tasks. 11. Did you know that the sticky substance released in the explosion can act as both an adhesive trap for smaller enemies and a chemical deterrent to larger predators? 12. Did you know that queens and reproductives within the exploding ant species do not have the ability to self-destruct? Their roles are vital for reproduction, so their lives are more protected by other ants. 13. Did you know that the explosions also serve to create a defensive barrier? By sacrificing themselves in a narrow space, the ants block entry points to their nests, preventing intruders from advancing further. 14. Did you know that the exploding behavior is a last resort defense mechanism? The ants typically try to drive intruders away with pheromones or group attacks before resorting to blowing themselves up. 15. Did you know that exploding ants often live in trees and other elevated structures, where their colonies are especially vulnerable to insect predators and competitors like other ant species or termites? 16. Did you know that researchers have found that the sticky substance produced by exploding ants contains antimicrobial properties, which may help protect the colony from infection after an explosion occurs? 17. Did you know that ants communicate using chemical signals, pheromones, and exploding ants can release these signals to call reinforcements before they sacrifice themselves in a fight? 18. Did you know that this explosive behavior has evolved over millions of years as a highly specialized defense mechanism, fine-tuned to the unique needs of Colobopsis and colonies? 19. Did you know that the cost of this self-sacrifice is offset by the long-term survival of the colony? The sacrifice of one or a few workers ensures that the queen and the colony as a whole can continue to thrive. 20. Did you know that the explosion doesn't just kill enemies, but also helps mark the intruder with the sticky substance, making it easier for other ants to target and eliminate the threat? 21. Did you know that in some cases, the explosion causes the attacking insect to retreat without being killed, leaving it incapacitated or immobilized by the toxic substance. We hope you found these 21 facts about exploding ants and their unique self-defense mechanisms both fascinating and surprising. Nature is full of extraordinary adaptations, and this extreme form of altruism in the insect world is a perfect example. If you enjoyed learning about this explosive topic, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more wild and weird facts about the animal kingdom. Let us know in the comments what you think of this self-sacrificing behavior. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.